My name is Mia Sage. I'm 28 years old and I have been receiving chiropractic care since I was in high school. About 3 years ago, my father died suddenly and I started picking up more responsibilities on with my family and my farm. A year after, I took a flu shot with an allergy shot in the same week and was told that that was fine. And immediately within half an hour was suffering from anaphylaxis, and intense heart rate in the high 160s, and my oxygen was 80. They rushed me to the hospital, to the emergency room. The emergency room doctor said it was a result of the shot and that I would be back to myself within 48 hours. A week later, my heart rate had been consistently in the 160s, and I couldn't eat, I couldn't sleep, and I couldn't make it from the couch to the bathroom, which were right beside each other. I couldn't work for weeks on end, and I had to have somebody else to take my classroom of elementary students. I began talking to Dr. Jessica about alternative options because medicines that the experts were putting me on were making me very, very sick, and they were not helping the symptoms. So we began exploring FCT. About 8 months into my sickness, she discovered Lyme's disease and some co-infections around the heart, and we began treating for that. We began increasing our FCTs to every other week, as much as I could tolerate, to help me to be able to come back to school. I was able to go back to school and I was able to get off of my heart medicines. I'm a year off of my medicines. I began the care plan about 5 months ago, and I had been struggling with severe fatigue and heart rate episodes that were still lasting 3 times a week, still high in the 160s, so I could barely do my job, go home and rest to go and do my job again the next day. I have, in the last 5 months, had a great increase in my energy. There are still some things that I can't do. I used to dance and teach Zumba, things like that. I'm still not quite at a Zumba level yet, but I am able to teach all day, go home and teach art lessons at home. I'm able to work with the animals on the farm. I'm able to fulfill my duties at home and at school, and that is an incredible accomplishment for me. I'm a year off of my medicine, and I know that my energy level and I know that my healing has been greatly affected by the care plan and the program.